everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about two creams, two moisturizers which I have used. I have seen a lot of reviews on this and I really thought to give it a try. So here are these two products. One is from Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel and the other one is from Pond's Light Moisturizer. I have seen a lot of reviews on these products and I've heard only good things about these products. So I was really impressed and really thought to give it a try. So without any further ado, let me just jump in the review part. So first of all, I would talk about this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. In texture, it's not creamy or not gel or not watery as well. It's almost in between all. I would like to show you. Can you see this? So here it is. Can you see? It's a little flowy as well. It absorbs really well in the skin. Can be really good for oily skin, but having combination skin, I really don't think it's very good for me, because even after applying this I feel a little dryness on my cheek area. So after applying this as well, I have to apply another moisturizer, which is a really bad thing about this product. It says it hydrates very well even inside your skin layers as well, but if it doesn't make me feel moisturized or hydrated on my upper skin, so it's totally different case with my other layers. For combination and dry skin, this is absolutely not to go with. I would suggest it's totally going to be your take. If you want to buy it, it's totally your risk. The only point I like about this is it hasn't caused me any kind of acne or any breakouts till date. It has been 25-30 days I've been using it, but it hasn't caused me any negative effect on my skin yet. लेकिन इस रेंज के साथ अगर आपको अप्लाई करने के बाद दूसरा भी मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई करना है तो आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू गो विद दिस. Another product, Pond's ka product. Pond's is something we have been seeing from ages, but this time they have come with a very nice formula. It has a vitamin E and glycerin with it. Whenever I think about Pond's, it always comes as a greasy and oily cream in my mind, but this time it has changed the perception. It is really light. It is again, in terms of consistency, it's not that thick, it's not that light as Neutrogena as well. लेकिन ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. I mean, once you apply it, you'll feel moisturized. And this one again has not given me any kind of negative effect on my skin. In fact, this has just moisturized my skin so well. It keeps my skin very hydrated, and that is the reason why I'm using it in my night regime after using my serum on my skin. So this is absolutely good to go for every sort of skin, especially I would like to say to oily skin as well, because it doesn't make your skin greasy at all. So you definitely can go with it. Since it has vitamin C and glycerin, it has its own benefits. You can check it out in Google and you'll come to know how beneficial these are. So in terms of goodnesses, this product goes a little heavier than the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So that's it for today. I hope you like the review part. This is a quick review. I haven't gone into the deep discussion with the same part, but I've just told you what I felt about these products. If you want to go with my wordings, then you're most welcome. If you don't want to go with the same, then it's all your take. You really can waste your money, you can risk your skin, and you can try it out. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.